Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to delete system restore points, then watch this video. So it's very easy. It's a two-step process to delete system restore points. We will look in the search for recovery. We'll click on recovery and we will click on configure system restore. We will click on the configure button and we will click on delete, continue and close. Now we deleted the system restore points. We need to create a system restore point because if my computer encounters any error or crashes unexpectedly because of some driver issues, then I need to have a restore point to reset my computer too. Otherwise, it will be a big issue. So what I will do is I will turn on system protection, click on apply, OK. And then again, now you will see this create button has activated. So what I need to do is I need to create, name it any point, and I will click on create. Now it will create a restore point at this time and date, and it was created. Okay, if this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.